Good morning, guys. I was running a little late this morning, so I didn't have time to dry my hair. Anyway, I am going to get my eyebrows touched up. I got them microbladed 5 weeks ago, and I am going for my 1 month touch-up. When you get them done the first time, you do have to go back after a month or so just to get them touched up, because the first time you get them done, sometimes your skin doesn't fully take to the ink in all places. So you know, you got to go back to get them really perfected. I love how my brows took. I'll show you a close-up in a minute. I think that they look really good, but the touch-up appointment was included with the original price that I paid, so you know, of course I'm gonna go and do it. There's definitely a couple of spots where I feel like they could be filled in a tiny bit more. So here's my brows 1 month later. All right, finished up with my brows. I didn't record while she was doing them because it more or less looked the same as the first time. So if you guys missed that first video, I will have the link to that in the description. I show like the whole process of everything, and I talk about every single step that she does and what the pain feels like and everything that you want to know about them basically. But this time around, to be honest, I thought that the touch-up was gonna be quicker than it actually was. I don't know, because they still looked pretty good and full to me, so I thought like, oh, there's just gonna be a couple spots she had to touch up. But she told me that my outline didn't really take that well, and I guess they were just like a lot more faded than I realized. So she had to even like map them out again and everything. Honestly, I think it took just as long as the first appointment, if not even a little bit longer. And the only thing that was really different this time around is she was applying more pressure. So it definitely hurt a little bit more because she was pushing down harder. But it was kind of the same thing like last time. Like, it really was only the first few minutes that I could feel it. And as she kept reapplying the numbing cream, eventually I couldn't feel any pain, and it was like totally fine and comfortable, and I was like completely zoned out. I almost fell asleep, honestly. But they look super dark right now because she did go a little bit darker, because she said she really wanted to make sure that the ink stuck and really took well this time. And you know, obviously like when they're fresh, they are just always gonna look darker, and then they start to lighten up as they heal. So yeah, same aftercare instructions as last time. I can't get them wet for a week. She gave me the aftercare like Vaseline stuff that I have to put on them twice a day. And yeah, just basically don't touch them, don't get any makeup on them, don't pick at them, don't get them wet, don't sweat, all that. So I am basically gonna just be in the air conditioning and trying to avoid the sun as much as I can, and not working out, and just taking quick cold showers because I got to avoid the steam. Right now they don't hurt, they just kind of sting and feel a little bit sore. I don't know, I feel like I just look angry because they're so dark. So I'm just gonna keep my sunglasses on. I did want to go home and put on a little makeup just so that they didn't look so crazy, but I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time because that took longer than I expected. You can wear makeup the first week while they're healing. You just want to obviously not get any makeup on your eyebrows, and then when you remove your makeup, just use a makeup remover wipe so that you can avoid getting them wet, etc. But I'm just stopping at Starbucks first really quick to get a coffee. So I got the, what is it? Vanilla bean coconut milk iced latte, I think. It is new at Starbucks, and it's super good. It probably has a lot of sugar in it, so I'm not gonna, it's not something I'm gonna get all the time, and it's kind of expensive, but I tried it for the first time yesterday, And I just really wanted another one. I'm gonna rush home really quick, throw on a little bit of makeup, and then get something to eat. Finally. It's a little bit better. Oh my god. Makeup doesn't look good. I literally threw this on in 5 minutes. But at least it makes the brows look a little less crazy. So, gotta go. Get food, go to work. Good morning, guys. Here's my very bland and boring breakfast that I'm also having at 12:30 p.m. because I slept until noon. Look how crazy my brows look when I don't have makeup on. But yeah, you can kind of see. They look really scabby and gross. They're a little shiny because I have to put the aftercare stuff on them, which is like a Vaseline type of consistency. So yeah, they look gross. They still feel kind of sore. Like I'm not in pain at all. They're not itchy as of right now, but if I like move them around, they feel very tight and a little sore. But yeah, because I can't sweat, I can't work out, and some of you know I've been doing Insanity, the at-home workout, which is very intense, and I get super sweaty doing that. So I was like 2.5 weeks into it. It's a 2-month program, so yeah, I have to not work out and like literally can't do anything. I mean, I guess I could walk, but I would just have to wait till at night once the sun goes down and it's like not as hot. It's the only thing that kind of sucks about getting them done in the summertime is just being out in the heat. You know, your face can sweat. So yeah, I can't do Insanity at all this whole week, so I want to make sure that I'm eating pretty clean so that way I can just kind of pick up right where I left off next week with the workouts. So I'm gonna eat this really quick, and then I'm gonna do my makeup before I have to leave for work. So yeah, the only thing that kind of sucks about doing the microblading is the healing process, because they just look really crazy and gross. So I am just gonna do some makeup. I have to leave for work in about an hour, and today's actually my only day this week that I don't have any clients, which I actually kind of don't mind because I'll get a little bit of a break. I think I'm gonna wear my Pro Glow foundation today. I feel like being glowy. And I primed with the e.l.f. Glow Lotion. But I am so excited, you guys. I have been thinking for a while about doing eyelash extensions. Like, obviously I get them done myself, but I want to like start offering that as a service and being like a lash tech. And at my last job, they were training me to do them. And you don't actually have to get certified in order to do them. At least not in my state. As long as you are licensed in either cosmetology or aesthetics, you can do them. And you can just purchase your kits and all of your supplies online. And it's actually not as expensive to buy everything as I thought it would be. Getting certified is super expensive though. It's like $1,200 to $1,500 just for like a 1-day course, which is ridiculous. But I feel like I know all of the basics. I know how to do it. I know how it works. I've been getting them done for years. And at my old job, I was practicing on a mannequin head. And then I did practice on 2 actual people. I think I would just need to practice a few more times on real people, just to like really get in the groove of it and get comfortable, because it is something that I think looks easier than it is. Like when you're actually doing it, it definitely feels a little more awkward and is more time consuming than I had realized. I'm running very low on concealer So I'm going to do a little bit of my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and then I'm gonna try to scrape what's left of my Tarte Shape Tape. This is my favorite. I need to repurchase it. So I don't know, I just feel like this alone isn't as much coverage as I like, but I also don't have enough left in this one to like fully build it up. But anyway, so literally every single person that comes into the salon to get their hair done is always asking me about my eyelashes. Like, I swear, every person. It's crazy. I get so many questions about them, and there are no places in my area that offers them. So the closest place you have to go is like 45 minutes away, which is where I go to get mine done at my old salon. And so I've just been sending like a whole bunch of people there, and I'm like, I should be doing them here, because then it'd be way more convenient. They don't have to travel, and I mean, hello, I'm like missing out on extra business and extra money that I could be making. So I've been thinking about it for a while, and even when I first started at my current salon, I was talking to my boss about possibly doing that sometime in the future. I was thinking like, oh, you know, let me just go and get certified just so like I can have a paper that says, hey, look, I'm certified with this brand or whatever. But that's expensive, and so I was putting it on the back burner because I was like, well, you know, I'll have to save up money in order to do that. But then I was talking to one of my friends who is a lash tech, and she was like, why? Like, you know how to do it. You were trained. Like, who cares about the certification? Like, you're licensed. It's legit. It's legal. Like, go for it. You know what you're doing. So I was like, you know what? You're right. And there's different levels of certifications that you can get, and there's so many different lash companies that offer trainings. So as I start to make more money, eventually I probably will go and get certified to do like more in-depth things, like all the crazy volume sets and the colored lashes and all the different things that you can do. I'm gonna try a new setting powder. This is the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder in Original. I'm pretty sure it's just supposed to go on like translucent. I'm gonna just set my under eyes with that. So last night, at the end of the night, it was just me and my boss at the salon, and I was like, perfect opportunity for me to talk to her about it. So she was like, oh my god, yes. And we were like walking around the salon, and she was like, oh my god, we could set it up here, and we could have like a cabinet with all of your supplies over here, and da 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 da. So she was like, just go home, do research, get a whole list of all the supplies that you would need. And I think I'm gonna just start practicing on my coworkers and like my friends, my mom, stuff like that. And then from there, I'll probably start out doing like a discounted price, or like, you know, we'll run a special or something. Just cause like it's gonna take a little bit of time for me to like get my speed up and to be able to do more advanced types of sets. So I started getting together a whole list of everything that we would need last night, and then today, especially since I don't have any clients today, when I go into work, you know, I can do a little more research, and I can get together, like maybe start to type up, because I want to have like little cards with aftercare instructions. Yeah, that's kind of my new work venture right now, and I'm really excited about it. So I'll definitely update you guys and let you know how it's working out for me. And by the way, I contoured with this Tarte The Sculptor cream contour stick. For blush, I'm going to use this NYX Ombre one in Strictly Chic. Oh my god, I almost just dropped that. And then I'm going to highlight with this e.l.f. Targeted Natural Glow Stick. This is in the shade Champagne Glow. This is my first time using it, so let's see. Well, one's out pretty well, actually. Pretty. And then I'm going to spray my face, only the bottom half though. I'm going to avoid the brows with this e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cool Down Mist. It smells amazing, and it's just a nice makeup mist to help blur everything together, give a nice little dew. Then I'm gonna just take a like soft brown. Literally soft brown is the name of the shadow. MAC soft brown fluffy brush, and just put a little bit in my crease. And I'm not gonna do my lips just yet because I still have some coffee that I am drinking, so I'll just wait till I'm about to leave to do that. But yeah, that's it. There is my soft, glowy, natural makeup. And having eyelash extensions and your brows microbladed is just, it just makes life so much easier and quicker. Let me actually just brush through these a little bit. So on just like a regular daily basis, when I want to keep it natural, that's more or less the makeup I do. Sometimes I'll use different brands, a different foundation, whatever, but as far as like application and whatnot, that's what I like to do. And I like to do creams when possible because I just feel like it gives a really natural, dewy, fresh kind of look, which I love. So I just painted my nails. I love this color. It's by the brand NCLA in the color, oh, it's just volume 4. Really pretty pinky nude. I've had it for a while now. I don't remember where I got it. I want to say it came in like a BoxyCharm box or something like that. And then for my lips, I just went with something neutral. So I did this Rimmel London lip pencil in Tiramisu. I lined them and filled them in with that. And then I just topped it off with the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. And yeah, let me show you my outfit. So, sorry, ignore the cord to my air conditioner, but I'm wearing this tank top from Forever 21, and then these pants are from Forever 21 also. They're a few years old though, but they have like a acid wash denim look to them, but they're like a kind of a cotton material. They're like super comfy and kind of feel like pajamas. So yeah, and then I'm gonna wear just these plain black slides from American Eagle. They've been like my go-to shoes all summer because they're super comfy and just easy, and I feel like they go with pretty much everything. So yeah, there is my outfit, and I gotta go now. So I'm home now. I just got here like half an hour ago, and I realized that I never ended the vlog. More vlogs coming very soon. I think I'm also gonna start doing some more makeup videos. A few people have been requesting those. Maybe another what I eat in a day video. I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys want to see from me. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. And please go follow me on Instagram. I have my personal account as well as my hair account. So you can go and see my portfolio, some of the work that I do. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye.